Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome back, adventure seekers. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into something truly exciting, a ride that promises to elevate your adventures to a whole new level. The 5000W dual motor electric bike. Now, let me tell you, this isn't just any run-of-the-mill electric bike. Oh no, this is a powerful machine designed specifically for adults who crave speed and adventure, capable of reaching exhilarating speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. And just picture this for a moment. Cruising down the road, the wind whipping through your hair, and the world flying by in a blur of excitement. It's an experience like no other, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, a robust 60V 32AH battery. This isn't just any battery. It offers you over 1,000 charge cycles. That means you can ride your bike for many years without worrying about battery performance. And with a fantastic range of 35 to 80 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for everything from leisurely park rides to adventurous weekend outings. Want even more freedom to roam? You can snag a spare battery easily, ensuring that the fun never has to stop. But wait, there's more. This bike is packed with accessories that will enhance your riding experience in ways you've never thought possible. Imagine riding with rear-view mirrors that keep you aware of your surroundings, a convenient water bottle holder to stay hydrated on those long rides, and a waterproof phone pouch to keep your important devices safe and sound. Plus, if you're planning on bringing along some extra gear, worry not. The reinforced cargo rack has got you covered, making it easy to carry everything you need for your adventures. And if you crave customization, you can even add a detachable storage rack or a safety seat for passengers. Let's not forget about comfort, which is key in any bike ride. With dual front suspension and rear shocks that absorb those bumpy roads like a dream, you'll feel like you're gliding on air. And speaking of stability, the bike boasts 26-inch wheels paired with 4-inch fat tires, giving you the grip you need to tackle any trail or city street. Transitioning between gears? The Shim 7-speed system makes it smooth and easy, while the powerful disc brakes ensure you can stop on a dime. Safety first. Now, here's an important factor: durability. The bike is constructed from high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy, ensuring it can withstand anything the road throws your way. And for those adventurous souls who like to ride when the sun goes down, the bike features a 600-lumen LED front light and a tail light to illuminate your path and keep you safe. And how about the LCD smart display? It keeps you in the loop with real-time updates on speed, mileage, and battery life, so you can focus on the ride. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What about assembly? Fear not, my friends. Most parts come pre-assembled, and we provide easy-to-follow video guides to help you along the way. Plus, our dedicated support team is always just a message away for any questions you might have. We even offer lifetime technical support, so if you encounter any issues, we'll be there to address your needs within 24 hours on business days. That kind of service is hard to come by. And let's take a moment to celebrate the community that's growing around this incredible bike. Over 50 adventure enthusiasts have already taken the plunge and purchased this bike, ranking at number 31 in adult electrobicycles with a glowing 5.0 rating from 10 reviews. It's clear that riders are absolutely loving their experiences, and there's nothing quite like sharing the ride with a supportive community. So, are you ready to elevate your riding experience and embrace the thrill and excitement that awaits? Let me ask you this. What kind of adventures will you embark on with your very own 5000W dual motor electric bike? Why wait any longer? Get yours today and let the adventures begin. Thank you so much for tuning in. Your electric biking journey is just around the corner, and we can't wait to hear all about it. Click on the link below to get discount.